Hi, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead, and I didn't pay attention to the weather report, or it just wasn't really too accurate for here, but we had a great windstorm last night. So this is the roof of my porch, and it was piled deep between the porch roof and the house roof with leaves, and the gutters were super deep, and now you can see they are not, which is actually something I prayed about. So this is what the sky looks like right now, and we're supposed to get some more showers, they said. So we will see how much wind comes with these showers. The October glory which is this tree, still hanging on to all of its leaves. Blooming cherry, quite a few leaves still, quite a few on the ground. But check out the sycamore. So the sycamore looks pretty bare. And I don't know if you can see it. This is so pretty. See the mist or fog coming up off the hill? We did get some debris down from the sycamore tree, but really not too bad. But we did get some branches. I wouldn't have necessarily wanted to be standing out here while they were coming down. I finally harvested the sunflowers the other day, and some more of them. That one, the center fell out of it. They look pretty good. We still have gorgeous geraniums. And while I was outside, these are some of the things that I harvested. Now I did harvest these little, I think they're orange glow tomatoes the other day, but I pulled off some grapes. A bunch fell on the ground because it was stuck. The last of the persimmons, or pomegranates, and the 4 persimmons that our tree had this year. I also ate 1 ripe fig.